So this is going to be the intro to the video. I'm sure you'll have like two because I keep talking about it, but just got done ripping these. You'll see that in a minute. I had one casualty in the wing, but the big reason I'm talking a little before you see some track ripping is they released the WL 14028 or 1400 or 124008. Jeez, all those damn numbers. This is our stock one. Body's finally beat up enough, so while I'm talking, we'll look at the pretty new body. Took that one off earlier. So I'm making my thumbnail now. I ordered, so that's what it looks like, and you can see from the chassis there that it is one of them Hyper Goes, but it's got a huge battery tray, so I'm kind of looking forward to it. Looks like they're still like WL style swing arms. It's hard to say, but I got a link in the description. Yeah, kind of excited. I didn't even know that they were releasing one. So I think they're $130, but I see this price going up quite a bit because it is a brush system or brushless system. Look at that in there. That's brushless. It looks like it's a 380. Let's see what the specs are. So this is their site. Yep. 112 scale, 35 amp ESC, 3S capable right on the website. You see that? It comes with a 3S battery. So they're obviously listening, man. Coming clear. So they're trying to top themselves. Now you'll see on my montage that, we talk about WL. That's what got us into this kind of WLs and E-sheens. So that drives me nuts. I know it's a marketing tool. That drives me nuts. Anyways, pretty excited. So yeah, WL. So today's WL day, like I said earlier. We're gonna rip our 14401s. I should have just seen the one with 10401. Just because this is getting ratty. And people seem to like it. Pretty she is without this coat. Pretty nice. Anyways, now this is our modded one. It's got a little different tires, and this is completely stock minus the sway bar. So first time these are both on the track, so let's get ripping. So it's gonna be a WL video. Seeing there's a new release. I just purchased one at MakerFire. There'll be a link in the description. I need new tires on this thing. She's just spinning it. This one, I got these got carpet tires on them, so they just spin in this. I'm gonna get the other car out a little bit. Yeah, definitely a wall right there.
Need some dirt tires. $15. I'm getting like 4 of my are the same parts. Brake them. What I buy is they gotta be, yeah, the consumables gotta be attainable, you know, because you're always got 3 cars down and 3 cars running. It seems like, you know, slow is fast. Oh, that was cool. Oh, that was cool. Cool. This thing just lands on its feet. Good old WL. Oh, that was good. Yeah, the tail is getting wrecked. I knew that was coming. This thing was cracked a while back. Okay. Yeah. There we go. The basher we know and love, huh, Lauren? You know, I wonder if that's the problem with the other one, is because it's got a tail. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's what I mean. Oh, that was a good catch. So you excited about the new WL? The new 112? Should be fun. It's red, white, and blue. I know. I'm gonna put a bunch of rocks in these. No, so you can drive out of it. Yeah, it probably will break it. Man, you hop right over that. Josh and I were talking about putting the other sides on those ramps so you can run this track both ways, you know. Plus, if we, like the bigger car, I was running the 110 on it. 110 can jump over that jump, you know. No problem. Be better have a landing. Oh, problem. Be better have a. Oh. Ooh. Man, that thing's fun. Yeah, this is totally stock. I agree. I completely agree. Well, that's why we bought 2 of them, right? And I gotta say, the 110 is still fun to drive. It's crazy fun to drive. Just different. This is, yeah. I don't think the WL has a bad product. People are spoiled. They're so used to perfection. Yeah, whatever. Battery flattening. Dang it. Look how clean that is. This thing is like, this is the most we've driven this thing probably. Yeah, 1 good lap. Oh, you skipped this part. Only to come back to it. We had it at the track. The kid didn't know where the front or the back was after we broke the wing on it. He didn't know which way was forward. Hey, you tumbled over it. Are we good?